what's going on, everybody who's watching? Woo! I can't sing, you guys, but I love making you all happy. So welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's do this. Today I'm really excited because I'll be answering two of the most asked questions. First of all, many people wonder my age because I'm always here giving you money tips, how to make money. So probably you're wondering, even though you've never asked me, you're wondering how old I am and blah blah blah. So as the video title suggests, I'm only 22 years old, but I am hoping to turn 23 in February. That's when my birthday comes along, 2nd Feb, so I'm almost turning 23, but currently I'm 22 years old. About how much money I make. Yes, guys, yes, that title told you the right thing. I make $500. That's equivalent to 50,000 Kenyan shillings on a good month. Yeah, guys, and it's so easy to make that money. I'm only a 22-year-old and I can make such amount of money. So it means everyone can do it, everyone can make it, if only you try and if only you want to make it. I am not going to lie to you. It takes hard work, persistence, and all those things. A lot of sacrifice. So I'm going to give you my methods. First of all, let me clarify this. YouTube is not among the 3 ways that I make money because YouTube actually has never paid me anything. Of course, I have earned from YouTubing because I usually put my affiliate links. So I have been earning through affiliate, but YouTube itself has never paid me any money so far because YouTube pays through ads. And before it can pay you, you need to be having 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, of which I just recently got to 1,000 subscribers. So I have not earned any money from YouTube. So all the figures that I'm going to give you are purely out of YouTube. Okay, so let's do this. Hoping this video inspires everyone out there, and I hope it motivates you to start your own businesses or something of that sort. The first way I made money this year is through tutoring. I have always told you guys to open an account on Udemy, and I don't know if anyone has ever done that. So I always had an account on Udemy. If you don't know what Udemy is, it's a site that you post your course, your online course. So I posted on Udemy that I can teach English, and then I put my price to be $150 every month. I don't know whether that money was too little or something. That account has always been dormant there, and I have never even checked it. Months and months later, I got an email from somebody, like an unknown person who was in Mexico, or do they call it Mexico? So I got an email from a Mexican who wanted me to offer my skills and my lesson to their kid. I was really shocked. I had already forgotten that I have an account in Udemy. You guys. So the Mexican sent me this email telling me to be a tutor for the student, a 4-year-old kid, and I was, oh my goodness. I had written on my profile that I can speak Spanish. You guys, I don't know Spanish. I only know the basics because I have the Spanish app which I used to learn some little Spanish, but I had not perfected my Spanish, you know. So when I got this offer, I was like, OMG, I can't speak Spanish. So she told me the kid only speaks Spanish, so I need to teach the kid English. And that's how I landed my first job, you guys, in March. The minute coronavirus came, that's how I landed my first job as a tutor. So I just started learning Spanish on a serious note. I scheduled the Zoom meeting with the kid and blah blah blah. We talked. Of course, I wasn't getting the kid really well, but I was getting some words. That's how I started to learn Spanish on a serious note. I don't know if my price was too little, $150, because $150 is 15,000 Kenya shillings. I just don't know, but I I really got a customer very quick on Udemy. I didn't ever think I would get a customer on Udemy. So you guys can try your luck on Udemy. Just post any course that you can do. If you know how to cook, if you know how to edit videos, just anything that you can teach someone. But make sure to put good prices. Of course, put favorable prices so that you'll get people who are interested. Of course, this job was so challenging because when it's daytime here, theirs is at night. So I used to work late hours because I used to tutor the kid late in the night. It was challenging for me. It took a lot of hard work. It's never easy, man. The second way that I made money was through Airbnb. Hoping by now everyone knows what Airbnb is. So I put my bed sitter in Airbnb. Didn't expect to ever get a customer. It was located in Kilifi, and you guys, I was only charging 1,000 per day. That's $10. To my surprise, I got a customer. My first ever client was this young guy. He was telling me he's coming to do a certain job. He thought that getting a space on Airbnb was quite cheaper than going to those hotel rooms. Of course, he would save a lot because when you give out your space on Airbnb, you have to give the people breakfast and a bed. So he told me that he was coming for this job and he wanted to save. And that's how I got my first client. But ever since that time, coronavirus persisted and people stopped working. There was the curfew things, blah, 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 the lockdowns and everything. That business failed eventually. And I also withdrew from it because I couldn't pay rent and I'm not staying in the house. This time I will be back on Airbnb with a bang. Because imagine renting out a bed sitter space for 1,000 per day and then someone comes for a week. That's 7K. Enough to pay your rent. And imagine you had a 2-bedroom on Airbnb and rent it out at 5K every day. That's enough money. So just try your luck. If you have a space that you're not using, rent it. Especially when you're na nyumba za ushago na hawakai. I would advise you to put it on Airbnb as long as it's in good condition. Because you don't want to get very low ratings, okay? That way I made money was through Facebook. I know you're wondering how Facebook can pay and how you get paid through Facebook. For me, I would say this was luck. It's good to connect with people. It's good to chat in groups. So I was in this group in Facebook, and then there was a lady who was looking for a tutor to tutor her kid in the US, mathematics. And it was so coincidental because I have studied maths in campus, although I haven't graduated. So the lady was saying coronavirus has affected them so much and she needed someone to teach her grade 4 kid mathematics. So I just inboxed the lady and I think I charged her so little because she was like, how much will you charge me every month? I told her I'm going to charge her $150 because my Udemy student pays me $150. So I thought I'll charge her $150 and she was like, OMG, you are so good and considerate, so I want you to just take the job, please. She really begged me. I was like, OMG, people are polite out here. So we agreed. She sent me their syllabus and the books and everything. That's how I landed my second job as a tutor. I had to tutor those 2 kids. I had to create different programs for them. It's like I was sleeping during the day and at night I'm working. So it takes a lot of sacrifice and a lot of hard work. I really did sacrifice myself. This money doesn't come easily, you guys. The fourth way I make money is through planning. So there's this lady, thanks to her, I wish I could mention her here. We usually partner, we come from the same place. I partnered with her because I wanted to learn how to plan for events and how to do catering services and blah, blah, blah. So she told me to just come and partner with her. And that's how I make money, through events planning. And she's the reason I make money through events planning. She taught me everything, how to plan for an event, how to decorate weddings, birthdays, any kind of party, how to bake cakes, how to decorate them, how to organize caterers to cater for. Yani she's wide. Yani her company has a wide variety of services. All you need to do is just give her your bash. and that's it. She'll come with the DJ, caterers, event planners and everything. The lady is so popular, she gets customers. So we used to get so many clients until coronavirus hit, but the business is gaining momentum right now. I'm also planning to start my own events company because I won't be employed forever, you know. Yeah, that's the fun way I make money, you guys. So hoping this video gave you an idea of how you can make money. Of course, there are other extra incomes that I make because I usually respond to surveys. If you know me, you know I have so many survey sites that I respond to. But those ones change every month. I keep discovering more and more and more. Of course, I make money through affiliate marketing. I've always done videos about affiliate marketing and about surveys. I've done so many videos on how I make money. If this was not helpful, you can check the other videos, and hoping to see you in my next video, guys. And remember to appreciate me by liking this video so that I will know that you enjoyed, and so that I will know that you need more of these inspiring kind of videos. So until next time, bye.